Hey Grant Cousins, today we have an amazing $10,000 grant for you. Keep watching to learn how you can get a piece of the pie right after this intro.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Today we are talking about the Entrepreneurial Spirit Fund by SIA Scotch Grant for entrepreneurs and small businesses. 11 recipients will receive a $10,000 grant plus mentorship with the founder of SIA Scotch Whisky and a first-generation Cuban American who've overcome challenges during her entrepreneurship journey. This application did open on August 1st. And the deadline for this application is September 26 at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. On November 1st, the grant winners will be announced, and on November 28th, the grant winners will receive the funds. So in order to qualify for this grant, your business must be the following. Your business must be owned 51% plus by person or persons of color. Your business must be a for-profit business producing less than $5 million in annual revenue. Your business must operate in or conduct business in at least one of the following states, which includes California, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Massachusetts, Minnesota, New Jersey, Nevada, New York, Rhode Island, and/or Texas. Your business must not be a alcohol beverage retail license holder, such as a bar, restaurant, hotel, or store which sells or serves alcohol, or a business which makes alcohol. If you're applying as an individual, you must meet the following. You must be a citizen or a legal permanent resident of the United States. You must be at least 25 years or older as of November 1st, 2022. You must be an entrepreneur who is the leading executive, for example, a founder or a president, CEO, CFO, COO, or any such other similar title of a business that meets the below business criteria. You must be the owner of an individual who is authorized to bind the business for purposes of participation in the program. You must not have ownership interest in or be invested in an alcohol beverage retail license holder, such as a business or establishment which owns a license to make, sell, or serve alcohol. You must not be an employee of a retail license holder, such as a bartender or a waiter. So I'm also going to talk about the businesses that do not qualify for this grant, so that if you are listening, you'll just know that you may not qualify. Now, if you have a charity or a nonprofit organization, you cannot qualify for this grant. If you have a political fundraising organization, you cannot qualify for this grant. If you have a business that's offering medical, health, dental, or physical wellness products or services, or any product claiming to diagnose, cure, treat, or prevent an illness or a condition. If you have a business that is similar to a retail or wholesale liquor, wine, flavored malt beverages, or beer license businesses offering energy, food, and/or drinks, you cannot qualify for this grant. Businesses that is offering children's and maternity products or services, businesses that is offering financial, money processing, or credit services, financial intermediaries, or cash equivalent instruments, travel services such as vacation packages, phone services, prepaid phone services, 900 numbers, etc. Now, what this grant winner will receive is a grant recipient will receive a $10,000 restricted grant to be used on the benefit of the grant recipient business. So there is no restriction on what you can do. It just must be used towards your business. So you don't have any restrictions on what you should purchase. It's just use it towards your business. Each grant recipient will receive a recognition on the Hello Alice and in our partner platforms. Each grant is awarded as is with no warranty or guarantee, either expressed or implied by the sponsor. And each grant recipient is responsible for all applicable federal, state, and local taxes, if any, as well as any other costs and expenses associated with the grant acceptance in use not specific in the terms and conditions. So in addition, grant recipients will receive access to a one-on-one virtual mentorship session with the founder of the SIA Scotch Whisky group and one group mentorship session with other grant recipients. Now, if you do not qualify for any of these grants, please share this video with someone who does. I'm currently working on presenting more grants for all my viewers, so make sure to subscribe to find out the latest, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to go over to designer Soapbox /grants, because I always post new grants that I may not bring onto the channel. So make sure you bookmark that link, designersoapbox.com/grants. If you missed any other grants, make sure you go over to that page. I have tons of grants, so make sure you go over there and check them all out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.